At any time of the year when you ride your bike, it's important to make sure that your battery is in tip-top condition. There aren't many of us, including myself, that's gone to my bike when I wanted to use it, pushed the start button, and it's just gone click. Not necessarily because the battery's kaput, but purely because it might need a little boost of charge. Now, especially in the winter time when the weather's cold generally and we're not using our motorbikes as much as we would normally do, it's important to keep that battery charged up to the optimum. Now, if you're fortunate enough to have a power point in your garage or in your shed or in your front room, wherever you tend to keep your bike, I would suggest investing, and that is an investment, in a BMW charger. We've all heard horror stories of people using a car battery charger on a motorcycle and burning the battery out, or worse still, the potential for causing a fire. You will not get that problem with a BMW plug-in charger. It's a low current and it will constantly keep the battery charged up. The charger can be left on the bike all the time. You can be safe in the fact that it will never overcharge the battery and cause any unnecessary problems. This is how easy it is to use. Simply plug it straight into your main socket, take the other end of the lead, which has, as you'll notice, a small DIN plug. Plug it into the easily accessible socket on the motorbike. So as you'll see, there's ample cable on the end of the wire to then simply lift the little flap here, push that in, and you can literally leave it. On the front of the charger, the colour monitoring will let you know at what stage your battery is at that particular time. And when it's fully charged, it will switch itself off so it will not overcharge your battery. So there you have it, the BMW trickle charger. Thank you for listening. We very much look forward to hearing from you soon. You can contact us by phone, by email, or lind.co.uk. Look forward to hearing from you soon.